We are at Agasheim, one of the end of Agasheim village, which is called as Padri Bhat. And the place where I right now am standing is actually a water stream which is flowing from the village, which actually meets the Zuari river at the other end at Zuari mouth. Now the reason why I'm standing here is if you see this water currently, which is flowing from village towards the Zuari stream, is turned totally black. It is stinking so bad you actually cannot stand here. So the thing is, something has been mixed with this. Something has been dumped into this river stream at the start, somewhere around 2-3 kilometers away from here, and the entire village where this water stream is passing by. I have taken visits to most of these points. We have seen state is very bad. It is passing through next to the road, next to the highway, next to the church, next to the school, next to panchayat, next to MLA, former MLA's house. It is very close to the present MLA's office. And despite that, for last 7-8 days, no action has been taken on this. So some of the concerned citizens made a issue. They posted it on a blog through which I came to know. And being a part of Santandre and concerned about Santandre and as a former candidate who was contested twice, and being I'm always with people on social environmental issues. So I've come here. I've brought it to the light of the notice of Goa State Pollution Control Board already by email. There are concerned citizens who have drafted a letter and a petition, which again is going to be submitted to Goa State Pollution Control Board by today. I have met the deputy sarpanch. He had assured me and he has told me that tomorrow there will be a inspection of Goa Pollution Control Board. It's a very serious matter. So I want to ask, what is the former MLA of Santandre, Mr. Francisco Silveira, is doing? It is in his locality. He is in BJP. He is in ruling. He should have taken cognizance of that. What is the current MLA, Mr. Viresh Borkar of Santandre, is doing? He is concerned about environment. His party is saying so many things we are doing for Goan and everything and all that issue. What is this? Next to your backyard, this is happening, and have you taken cognizance and have you notified people? Because it is not only just filing complaint. I don't know whether he has filed a complaint also, but it is also making an awakening of people, making them aware and making them concerned so that they report all these things first. So this has also not been done. So I thank the concerned citizens for bringing it to the light, and I assure you that we will take this issue. I've already taken this issue, and I think this will be reached at the highest level, and we will force the government authorities to take action on the culprits. आमचे कंटेमिनेशन जे उदकाचें जालां आनी उदक जे काळें जालां अक्षी त्याचो एक्सप्लोरेशन अक्षी गांवांत चालू आसा. आतां आमी पाद्री भाटांत पावल्यात आनी पाद्री भाटांत जर परत फुडलो हो पळयत, हो इल्लोसो शेताचो वाठार आसा, इल्लोसो, पूण तो कंप्लीट ब्लॅक काळें उदक हांगा भितर येयल्लें आसा. आनी कुशीकूच हांगा सिल्वेरा फॅमिलीचें घर आसा. हांव दिसता आमच्या पंचाचें, लोकल पंचाचें घर. आणि हे उदक जर पळयत जाल्यार ही परिस्थिती कितें आनी हे केन्ना आतां हाजेर कितें उपाय कोण काडटलो हाजेर विचार करचो पडटलो. आनी म्हाका दिसता हो अख्खे गांवचो विशय जाला आनी ताजेर हांव तरी रिक्वेस्ट करतली फाल्यां गांवाच्या लोकांनी कितें तरी मिटींग घेवची पडटली म्हणून.